This has everything I love about New York in one pizza. Hey guys, we're at Speedy Romeo in New York where they serve Neapolitan pizza. Except they're doing something super crazy and topping their pies with pastrami. I have to go check it out.
Hi, pizza time?
Pizza time. First step, dough?
First step, dough, flour, water, yeast, salt, olive oil, and then let it sit room temperature overnight to proof, to let the yeast do its thing.
Okay.
And then let those sit in the walk-in refrigerator for another 24 hours. It's a total of 48 to get the leopard spots you see on the outside of the crust. And that's what chars first in the heat.
And that's Neapolitan.
In a way. Yeah, they get very strict
They're
on
like
their
rules, right?
Yes, he's making that well.
Yeah.
So you see how he's not touching the crust in any way? You're never really pressing on it to leave the air inside there. This is our Dijon bechamel. Let me show you real quick. Yeah, so you got it. So just go top to bottom first.
Okay.
And then from there you can spread it out. But we want to leave at least like an inch on the outside.
So I messed up here.
I did that.
Okay.
I messed that up. Okay, that's great. Next is then food safety.
Food safety.
So that beautiful Katz's pastrami that we get from Katz's, we're gonna make these little piles in the pizza.
That's
when we told them
crazy.
we wanted to do this pizza, they'd said, what's it gonna taste like? So we had to get the pastrami, make the pizza, call the owner, have the owner meet us on site at the restaurant at Katz's.
Wow.
And then he was the one to approve the flavor or not.
Did he approve it the first go?
Oh yeah. All of this goes on. This is
all
the
of
portion.
this.
Yeah.
Oh, amazing.
Oh, yes, yes.
One of my first times I came to New York, my dad and I were walking and asked if anyone had a good recommendation for pastrami, and they mentioned Katz's, and we went there and we had no idea that it was this huge deal, and we were like, this is the best sandwich I've ever had in my life, and then we realized it was very famous for a
It's
reason.
very famous, and you wait in line. From there, then we add regular sauerkraut to our red sauerkraut, and that's what gives us this like beautiful, smoky, and same flavor.
Is it okay if I try some?
Of course. Yeah. So it's a little milder than a normal kraut because we cut it.
But you can taste the smokiness.
Yeah.
That's delicious.
I'll do this side. You can do the other side.
Okay.
This is just your classic Italian fontina. It's aged. So just to add a little cheese to this, I mean, this is like a Reuben to the nth degree.
Yeah.
I'm gonna put this egg wash on, and then I'm going to be careful to try to not hit the
Topping.
the toppings as well as the counter. It's hard to get the pizza off the counter if we miss. And then this is our everything bagel crust. So
This is what I'm
you can see here. So this is we make this ourselves all along the outside where we put the egg wash.
I'm freaking out. I love everything bagel, so this just seems like the perfect marriage. How hot is it in there?
Right where we're gonna cook the pizza, it's about 750, 800.
I'm very anxious right now because I really want to eat this. How long does this cook in there?
It's 2 minutes max. So it's still happening. You can see the crust is getting that color we want. It's not.
That crust is perfect.
There's a little, there's a little char, but then that's good. I like it.
I'm freaking out. Have you eaten it yet?
Not yet.
Okay.
We give it a drizzle of Thousand Island dressing we make here. A little finish with everything bagels, just to put.
My stomach is actually growling right now. It's too good. I'm still freaking out. I haven't stopped freaking out. This has everything I love about New York in one pizza. We've got our Katz's pastrami, which looks like it got a little bit crispy in the oven. That can only be a good thing. I was skeptical when he put on the cheese because there wasn't that much cheese, but looking at it now, I think it was, with the bechamel, I think it was plenty creamy. Here we go. It's a sign of a good pie with a lot of grease. Unreal. My taste buds are confused because it tastes like a pastrami sandwich, like a really, really good pastrami sandwich. But it's pizza. The crust is perfect. My number one pet peeve in a slice of pizza is if you can't hold it. I really judge you if you eat pizza with a fork and a knife. So the fact that I can eat this very easily is a really good thing. The Russian dressing adds a really nice tang. And the everything seasoning is everything. Be sure to like and subscribe to Delish. And I'm gonna eat this whole damn pie. Bye.